Hello everyone, my name is Feli. I am from Skill Kendra powered by ANDT. So today I am sitting here with one of the best NDT professionals. Ready, sir? Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
I'm good.
Can you please introduce yourself?
So I am Muni Ready. I am basically a mechanical engineer and the ASNT NDT level 3 in RT, UT, MTPT, AWS welding inspector, painting inspector from British Gas London, UK, and I have undergone duplex stainless steel welding training from Babu Kirk Welding Technology, Scotland. So I have worked in India and abroad over a period of 35 years of experience in NDT, consultancy, welding, training, certification.
Okay. So, sir, can you tell me actually what is NDT?
So NDT is a non-destructive testing. That means in this we test the material without breaking or without destructing or without changing the shape of the material, without impairing the properties of the material to find out the soundness or homogeneity of the material. So NDT is the most effective quality control tool.
Okay. So, just to brief, like how long is the course and what are the opportunities after the course? Can you tell me that in brief?
So actually, as per SNTTC 1A of ASNT, American Society for Non-Destructive Testing, so there is a document called SNTTC 1A, Society for Non-Destructive Testing, Technical Council. Clear? So this is the document which governs the requirements of NDT personnel.
Okay.
So as per SNTTC 1A, there are 3 levels of certification. Clear? Based on their basic qualification, experience, training hours, they have undergone training hours, duties and responsibilities.
Okay.
So level 1, the minimum basic qualification is 8th standard. They should understand English. That is the reason. So with 2 years of experience, they are eligible for level 1. Okay. Then level 2, those who have completed 12th, diploma, ITI, any engineering, 6 months of training, 6 months of experience, they are eligible for level 2. But the training hours are addition of level 1 and level 2 as per SNDTCA. And for level 3, that is actually as a level 2, you should have a 2 years of experience.
Okay.
That is for level 3.
Okay.
And the scope, NDT scope is everywhere. That is from the design, then procurement, planning and scheduling, construction, inspection, in all fields. NDT plays very important role. And various fields like petrochemical, refineries, power projects, infrastructure, manufacturing, every field in it, NDT is required. It plays very important role in NDT in the engineering, construction as well as manufacturing.
Okay. Thank you so much for the information, sir. And I hope everyone has benefited from that. And if you are someone who is aspiring to become an NDT professional, then you should subscribe and follow us for more information and videos like this.